So this is a demonstration of how to finish a square wine stopper or cufflink or magnet or wine charm. So you start out with E6000 glue, your wine stopper, scissors, and your canvas. You're going to cut the canvas out, leaving 7 or 8 rows all the way around. The reason I'm leaving that much is because it acts as your padding behind the canvas in the stopper. Okay, once you have your canvas cut out, now we're going to notch out the corners. So you're going to cut to within 1 thread of your stitched work all the way around. So you're trying to leave 1 canvas thread to hold on to your stitching. This is going to reduce the bulk in the corners when you fold the empty canvas to the back. Okay, so we've notched out the corners. Now you're going to gently pull the bulky pieces out of the corner. It's going to leave a few canvas threads, but those are later going to be folded under. Okay, so pull out each of the 4 corners. Okay, and then we're going to start folding the plain canvas to the back, going around each side, 1, 2, 3, 4, kind of like the way you would fold a cardboard box together. When you fold it under, make sure you're folding under about 1/2 of a row of stitching. This will make it fit the silver piece, and also make sure that you're not leaving any unstitched canvas on the front. And each time, tuck those little spare canvas threads behind. There's your 3rd side. Tucking canvas threads. And then this is your 4th side. Okay, and use your fingernail to push the corners in a little bit, just to make sure they're good and secure to the back. Before we actually put glue in the trough of the wine stopper or your magnet or wine charm, we're going to set the canvas in the silver piece just to make sure it fits. If it's still a little big, push a little more canvas to the back. Sometimes this takes a couple passes. Just be patient with it, just to make sure it's going to fit nicely and not be bulky. Okay, take 2. Now it's fitting in there nicely. Okay, so once you know it fits, pull it out, set it aside, and fill your little square with glue. Now here I'm using E6000. You could also use Aleene's or Weld Bond. E6000 is an old standby favorite. Alright, so make sure our piece is still good and tucked. I'm going to stick it in. Make sure you're putting it in the right direction. This will actually be an olive oil stopper. So that's an olive. All right. Press it in firmly around the edges and set it aside to glue and to dry. That's it.